Greetings, supply chain innovation listeners. Your host, William Crane here. Are repetitive supply chain tasks holding you back from delivering exceptional results? The reasons can range from populating spreadsheets, to analyzing data, to sharing updates. To add to that, our workload is exponentially growing and changing more frequently. But like the crowd or 12th man at a football game, IndustryStar's supply performance software could give your team the valuable boost it needs to drive forward and realize success. To support supply chain leaders, our team crafted the Manual Task Automation MTA Playbook. The playbook offers 3 winning plays using our automation features in our software to help you achieve your goals more quickly and at zero risk to you. 1, when we review your company tasks and identify $50,000 in productivity cost avoidances, and you move forward with our software solution, our $5,000 assessment fee is credited back to you. 2, if you don't move forward with our software solution, you pay our assessment fee and keep our playbook. And 3, if we cannot identify $50,000 in savings, you keep our playbook and our savings ideas. Email us at info@industrystar.com to explore if the MTA Playbook could accelerate your productivity goals. Here's to elevating productivity and maximizing impact in the days ahead.